Yo, what is going on, guys? My name is C Games. Today we're going to be doing the part 2 of Get a Snack at 4 a.m. So I made a video a while ago saying I was going to do part 2 because we have found a guy in a sewer. Apparently it was Pennywise. That's what we thought it was. But we're going to do the part 2, like I said a while ago. So here we go. Oh, okay, we're back in the room. Okay, so more posters. This is still here. Go outside. Okay. I guess we're not getting a snack anymore. We should probably get some cash just in case. And father figure in the bathtub. Interesting. Okay, so I guess we need to go outside. So what's outside? Apparently so the last time we played there was a beacon and it popped up right through there. So something bad is Oh Lord. Oh dear. If I step in it. Why? Oh my God! It's flooding with Bloxy Cola right now. That's a Bloxy Cola in the sky. Oh my God! Open 24 hours. Can I? No. Help. Is there something I need to? Okay, I'm gonna try and go back to the sewer. It doesn't seem like it's going. Oh, never mind. Okay, it's going up very quickly. I can't interact. Hello, sir. Oh my God, sir. Where do I need to go? Is it? It's rising up very slowly. What was that in the back? I just saw something. Go. Sir, what do you need to say about the... Oh my God, it's... Okay. Age without accident, 0. Wait, what if I go behind the employees only? I can't. Um, sir? Uh, I'm not gonna understand, dude. This thing is stuck. What do you mean it took you seconds to open? Listen, we need tension. We can't just enter the freezer. Oh, it's a freezer? Well, sir, we're about to drown. It'll take like 21 seconds. Okay, well, you better hurry up with those 21 seconds, my guy. Can I, like, rob you? This is a robbery. Oh, I broke the game. Okay, not broke it, but, like, I'm up here now. Sir, you better hurry up with those 21 seconds. I swear to you, I don't want to die because of soda. That's going to be embarrassing to say. It's at your chest, my guy. Okay, it is not. Yes. Have we been here before? I feel like we were in here before in the last video. I don't know. There's an Amogus character. It's a TV I can't turn on. Steve head. Lots of soda. A carpet that says carpet. So I don't know how long we have to stay here. We hope you enjoy your stay. What? Realistically speaking, we're gonna be here for a while. Yeah. Ice. Interesting. Okay. I'm very interested in the Amogus. There's a staff, I think that is. You already know. Sir, I'm very concerned. What is this? What did you do? Okay. I guess we'll wait here then. No, we're gonna die. I don't want to wait. I'm sure the flood has already reached the top of the store by now. Can I go out? I can. I don't want to do that. I'm going to. Okay, never mind, I can't. No. No. Shut up, bro. It was not my fault. Don't stay for too long. What's this? Stabilizer. Push. I'm gonna push it. It's not letting me put hello. How are... What? Well, what was I supposed to do? Could have catastrophic disaster. Flooding. Flooded was the ending. Okay, I didn't, that, what? It didn't even last that long. What the heck? Okay, okay, well, we'll get another ending, I guess. Uh, well, yeah, part two. Um, I guess that's gonna be it for the video. It's a 6 minute video, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Um, if you did, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.